What's happening, my people? So it's your boy ChanceJolivette, aka Smooth, back with another video, man. So this is number 2 today. I don't know when I'm gonna drop this. I might drop this in some days. Might drop it today. Might drop it tomorrow. I don't know. But this shoe right here, this is something that was very sought after. This is very hyped, very expensive. But my dog had access to some pairs. He got some in hand, so I was able to get him in hand by means of him. So let's get to it, man. You know what this is? I already showed you the B-roll. This is the Jordan 1 Bred, the Patent Bred. So this right here, it is of one of the biggest Jordan shoes of all time. Just the regular Bred, but this is the patent joint. So you know these were hype. These were stupid hype because of the colorway. You can either like or hate it because of the patent leather. Patent leather is a staple on the Jordan 11s and stuff, but they have put some other shoes out with the patent leather stuff on here. So I seen some people deep glossing these or whatever. If I had these, I would not do that because this is a very expensive shoe. Like if you want to try to do customizations on a shoe like this in like a $400, $500 shoe, why would you buy a $400 shoe or something for you to like try to make it the OG or something? I don't know, but people do what they want with their money. But anyways, let's get into it, man. So you see the shoe, man. They do come with these extra laces and stuff. They got this red pair of laces. Let me show you this one right here, because they do have their Jumpman on the side, that hang tag. I don't know if you would want to keep that on there or would you want to take that off. In my mind, I was like, it looks dope. I like keeping stuff like this on the shoe, but this is patent leather. I don't know if it would like scratch it eventually or something. I don't know. Like me, it probably wouldn't in my case, because I wear my shoes to a certain extent, but like if I wear something like this, I know I ain't gonna be hooping or walking crazy in these, so I don't think it would really damage. But it probably would get annoying if it be, I don't know how much, if it would be doing that all day, it probably would get annoying. But you see some of the details on the shoe, man. Got the Wings logo up at the top. Got the patent leather everything, pretty much. Got that white midsole. You see the front, got that curvature. I like how the shoes have been shaped, like with Jordan brand lately. Like they've been, it hasn't been like, you know, boxy. They've been pretty good on the shape, going back to the OG shapes and stuff. Comes with the black laces on the inside. You see they have them perforations and stuff in the toe. Got that red toe, black all the way around. Get into it. See if you can see that in the inside. It says family. It says family on the inside. I'm trying to hide my face so it don't focus on my shit. See if it says something different. It says family on both shoes. So the top, you got the Nike Air. You got the Nike Air on the top, man. The bottom, it's crazy that Jordan 1s, they have this bottom right here, and you see how flat it is. But they do have hella grip. Jordan 1s do have hella grip, man, but they are so flat. Like me, as far as like playing basketball, I wouldn't want to like ball in Jordan 1s. I don't see how he was dunking on people and stuff so much in the Jordan 1s. But I guess they were used to Converse back in the day, so this probably was super luxury at the time. It's super luxury now, but not as far as performance. But yeah, man, I showed you pretty much everything with the shoe. These are going for a grip now, man. If you were blessed enough to get these on release date, kudos to you. I think the regular MSRP is $170 or something, but they are going for like $400 now. And then that's different sizes. This right here is an 8.5. Check out the inside of the shoe. I don't know if you can see that. They got a Nike Air on the inside. It's the same on both shoes, and they got the sticker with the size tags and stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much everything, man. Just bringing you a little bit of content. It is cold than a motherfucker out here. Like, I'm complaining because it's like 50 degrees, but I'm in Louisiana. Y'all in other places, it's probably like 20 degrees or something. Like the 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 Bills, the Buffalo Bills, they about to play football. It's gonna be like -10s, but I'm complaining about 50 degrees. But oh well, they get paid millions. If I be getting paid millions, I'd be out here doing reviews too, or knocking a nigga out. But anyways, so this the shoe, man. Just wanted to show y'all a little something on the channel. Shit, like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest and the most hated. I can't feel my fingers. Peace.